Welcome to ConsumerFlix, your ultimate source for drone leaks, reviews, and head-to-head showdowns. Helicopter. In today's video, we're diving into the leaked details of the DJI Avata 3. DJI's next-gen FPV beast is here, and it's wild. From design overhauls to cutting-edge features, this drone is built to thrill. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or just curious about the future of flying, you won't want to miss this breakdown. Let's uncover everything we know so far about the DJI Avata 3. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the latest drone leaks and reviews from ConsumerFlix. Enhanced durability for urban and indoor flying. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 features a reinforced, impact-resistant design, making it perfect for navigating tight indoor spaces and complex urban environments. It can handle minor bumps and collisions without compromising flight performance, a notable upgrade over older Canon models that lacked similar rugged construction. With built-in fail-safes and reinforced propeller guards, the Avata 3 offers added protection, making it an ideal choice for high-risk, high-reward flights where precision and durability are key. Advanced Immersive Control Experience. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 integrates flawlessly with the latest DJI Goggles 3 and Motion Controller 3, delivering a truly immersive and intuitive flight experience. Enhanced motion tracking allows for ultra-precise control, letting pilots execute complex maneuvers with fluid wrist movements. This natural, gesture-based input far surpasses the traditional joystick systems found in older Canon drones, offering a more engaging and responsive FPV experience, ideal for both seasoned pilots and newcomers seeking a deeper connection to their flight. Battery efficiency and charging. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 sees a modest yet meaningful improvement in battery life, delivering consistent 20+ minute flight sessions under real-world conditions. In contrast to Canon's drone batteries, which were often limited by shorter lifespans and slow recharge times, DJI's latest system supports faster, simultaneous charging of multiple batteries. Enhanced battery diagnostics provide real-time insights into health, degradation, and remaining charge cycles, making it easier to plan extended shoot days with confidence and efficiency. Transmission and live feed. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 features the upgraded DJI O4 video transmission system, delivering ultra-clear live feeds at distances up to 10 kilometers. This marks a major improvement over Canon's legacy FPV setups, which often struggled with latency and signal loss. Even in areas with heavy interference, the Avata 3 maintains impressively low latency, ensuring a smooth and reliable connection. Paired with the latest FPV goggles offering sharper visuals and higher refresh rates, the overall experience is more immersive, responsive, and cinematic, perfect for both adrenaline-fueled flights and professional content creation. Obstacle avoidance and safety. DJI Avata 3. DJI has significantly enhanced the obstacle avoidance system in the Avata 3, particularly for low-altitude and indoor flight scenarios. This advancement gives it a distinct advantage over Canon's older systems, which lacked robust autonomous safety features. Real-time terrain mapping and improved fail-safe protocols make the drone far less prone to crashes, even in confined or unpredictable environments. Emergency hover and return-to-home functions are faster and more dependable, offering peace of mind for both new users and seasoned FPV pilots. This focus on safety makes the Avata 3 as smart as it is agile. Flight performance and control. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 delivers a noticeable boost in speed and agility, offering sharper cornering and tighter control during high-speed maneuvers. Unlike Canon drones, which weren't optimized for true FPV dynamics, the Avata 3 shines with real-time responsiveness and refined handling. Upgraded flight algorithms enhance stability and precision, making complex moves like hovering, flips, and dives more accessible, even for intermediate pilots. With a slight bump in flight time and seamless integration with the new DJI Motion 3 controller, the overall experience feels more fluid and intuitive across both sport and manual modes. Camera and image quality. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 elevates aerial imaging with a larger sensor and enhanced low-light performance, delivering crisp 4K footage even in fast-paced or low-light conditions. Unlike Canon's older drone-style cameras, the Avata 3 features real-time stabilization and a wide-angle lens that captures more immersive visuals. With support for the DCI-like color profile and an expanded dynamic range, footage looks cinematic straight out of the camera, minimizing the need for extensive post-production. Its fixed camera design offers a true pilot's eye perspective while maintaining exceptional clarity and sharpness in motion. Refined design and superior build quality. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 features a more aerodynamic and durable frame, offering a noticeable upgrade over previous versions. It retains a compact form factor ideal for FPV flying, while feeling sturdier and more robust in hand. Compared to older drone designs, the Avata 3 stands out with improved airflow optimization and enhanced crash resilience. Integrated propeller guards add an extra layer of safety without compromising agility, and its balanced weight distribution provides greater stability during high-speed maneuvers. Improved camera capabilities. DJI Avata 3. The DJI Avata 3 boasts a major leap in camera performance, featuring a larger sensor that delivers sharper detail, richer colors, and improved low-light results. Enhanced dynamic range ensures better clarity in both highlights and shadows, making footage more cinematic straight out of the camera. Whether shooting high-speed action or atmospheric landscapes, these upgrades position the Avata 3 as a top-tier tool for content creators aiming to push their aerial storytelling further. Conclusion. The DJI Avata 3 represents a significant advancement in FPV drone technology, combining high-speed performance, intelligent control, and cinematic-grade visuals. It surpasses older Canon drones across the board, offering superior stabilization, safety systems, and real-time video transmission. Designed for both adrenaline-fueled flights and professional content creation, the Avata 3 strikes a perfect balance between power and user-friendliness. Whether you're chasing the thrill or capturing the perfect shot, this drone delivers an immersive and reliable experience, marking a bold step forward in aerial storytelling. Thanks for watching ConsumerFlix. Helicopter, are you excited for the DJI Avata 3 and its next-level FPV upgrades? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this leak breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more epic drone content. See you in the next flight.